Okay, let's talk about how we're going to turn in this CAM strategy practice part one, and there is a part two to this. You're just going to do the same thing on the part two as you are on part one right here. And here's what you're going to do. This is the document at the very beginning, and then you're going to fill these blanks in. And I'm going to go down to this one because this is the one I've got wide open right now. So here we're going to go back to Inventor. And I am actually going to start the simulation, and I'm actually going to run the simulation, and we'll just do the whole thing right here. And what we're going to do is we are going to use the snipping tool. So you can type snip right here to find the tool, and I'm going to say new, and I'm going to snip this. And I want to make sure that I include in this picture the actual tool bit right here, and then this is all the paths that my tool just did. Back to my Word document.
Carmelo Margarano, please report to the high school office.
And where it says simulation and comparison, I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste that in. And then I'm going to go back to Inventor and I'll hit close down here. Now, the next one, the next column I'm going to fill in is where it says browser setup. And how I do that is I go to my browser, I'm on CAM, I'm going to click the little plus sign next to this tool path. If you've got two tool paths, hit the little plus sign next to all of them so that we can see them all. And again, whoops, snip. I'm going to say new. I'll move this out of the way. And then I'm going to snip the tool path. Then I'll go back to Word, right click, and paste that. And then the last thing is, and your column is going to say something different here, but I'm going to, this is statistics. So I'm going to go back to Inventor. And I'm going to, hold on a second. Okay, so I'm here in Inventor. I'm going to do statistics. Because all you do is you run simulate right there. And then you go to statistics. And snipping tool again, new. And I'm just going to copy these statistics with the snipping tool. I'll go back to my Word document. I'm going to right click and paste those in there. So I've got the statistics, I've got the simulation showing me the tool paths with the tool bit, and I also have the browser set up here. So those are the three things that you need to put for each one of these models into the sheet. Okay, and this is for both part one and part two.